Welcome to Rio Salado College. This is part 3 of the video series on how to register for dual enrollment classes. I'm Rosa, your virtual assistant. I'll take you through the next steps in the enrollment process. Before registering, you will need the 5-digit course codes for the classes you want to enroll in. Open a browser and go to riosalado.edu/course list. You will see a list of high schools that participate in dual enrollment. Select your high school. And then click Download the course PDF to see a list of the available courses. When the PDF opens, find the course you want to take and make a note of the course code, also called class number, highlighted in green. You can also see the instructor's name and what period the course is offered. When ready to enroll, go to maricopa.edu/students. After the page loads, scroll down and click on the Student Center tile. Log in using your MEID at maricopa.edu. Then enter your password. In your Student Center, select the Manage Classes tile. Then click on Class Search and Enroll. Next, scroll to find the semester you are registering for and Rio Salado College. In the text box, enter the specific 5-digit course number found on your high school course list. Then hit Enter on your keyboard or click the arrow at the far right. Your class name and prefix will populate. Click the arrow at the far right. Next, you will see the full class information displayed. Click the arrow at the right once more to confirm. At the top of the next page, select Enroll under the Action drop-down menu, and then click the blue Submit button. If you need to enroll in additional courses, click Return to Keyword Search and repeat the steps. If you receive an error message while trying to enroll, please call the Dual Enrollment Department at 480-517-8080. Our final video covers how to pay for your classes.